headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm here today with Shashank from Betrick. He's doing some exceptional work. We're stoked to have him. Shashank, tell us a little bit more about yourself and your Web3 journey.
Yeah, hi Tony and hi everyone. My name is Shashank Pandey and I'm a full stack developer. I've been coding into this Web3 space for more than, I guess, it's near about 6 years. So I have my own website as well, so you can go and check it out. All kind of my works. But recently, I have gained a lot of interest in building a product for the community which serves the community, and specifically for Solana. And I had an eye on prediction markets long before, so we wanted to create a prediction market as well, but we saw that prediction markets were being like people were using a lot of stable coins in there. For example, USDC prediction markets. There were a lot of prediction market with, and now there are also a lot of prediction market with USDC stable coins. So we wanted to add a little bit of twist, like how the prediction will behave. Just we wanted to experiment like how the prediction would behave if the coin itself is not a stable coin, right? It's not a stable currency. Like it's a currency which move itself with market. How the predictions it will affect the predictions, and that's why we built Betrick. So Betrick is again a prediction market. It's a super fast prediction market on Solana, and currently it is on active development. So yes, we will be hopefully we will be launching very soon, and our devnet is also very live. So for everyone, so our main core ideology is to build in public and. We want people to see what we are building even if we are not live, and people can test it. So we don't have any boundaries, or we don't have any restrictions like alpha testers or beta testers like that. Anyone can we welcome everyone to test the platform, and that gives us a better insight on how the market is behaving, and how our apps are behaving in load, right? So this is what we are building here. Yes.
Okay, that's sweet. Tell us a little bit more about the team that's cooking this.
Yeah, so currently there are two people, okay, like two core developers, me, myself, and there's one more member who is currently having some work, and that's why he's not able to join this live. But yeah, we two are building this thing out of our own pocket right now, and we have built everything from scratch. So the other person is also a developer, but he has a little lesser experience when it comes to me.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
he has something 3 years of experiences.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit more about the problem that y'all are solving. Obviously, Polymarket, Kashi, massive prediction markets, but also, yeah, they have some, limited capabilities in terms of the types of coins that you can utilize. So tell us, what's different and what the problem you see with the current prediction markets.
Yeah, so currently, as I mentioned, that people are very like predicting in terms of stable coins. Of course, like they are stable. They people like stable returns as well. But we wanted to experiment with how the prediction will behave with the coin if the coin itself move the market, right? So this is the first thing we thought before building the market. And again, like this platform supports any currency, but we are still focusing on Solana right now. But later on, we will be planning to move it more towards community. We will be building a version next phase of it in which will be more community driven. So communities will be enrolled into this thing. They will be able to create their market. They will be able to manage their own productions. They will be able to do it with their own coin. So there will be different communities. They can create different coins, and they can create different prediction market itself. So but we want to build a prototype first, so that people can understand, yes, it's a proven concept, and then we will allow the people to join our community and build community on top of Betrix.
Absolutely, that's fresh. So let's actually take a look inside the platform, see what it looks like, see what y'all have built so far.
Yeah. Okay, let me share my screen.
And while you're pulling up your screen, tell us a little bit more behind the name Betrick. What's the trick?
Yeah. Okay, so well, there is not that much of deep thought that was given in Betrick, the name itself. But we thought that people are betting in the outcomes, right? And with our market, it's not related to a stable currency, so they are betting in the coin itself. So it's kind of a tricky thing for people. So that's why we named it Betrick. So it's just like a name that just popped up in our head. So it's like that.
Okay, word. Sounds chill. So yeah, show us how it works.
So yeah, so currently we have this interface, and with the latest development, there is one more. The latest development that we are going to push tomorrow will be having a market with multiple outcomes. So right now it's only one outcome, like this is a binary market, yes or no kind of a outcome, the single outcome market. And but later on we'll be having, like after today's push, we'll be having multi outcome markets as well. So here we have all the standard thing that you see in your prediction markets, but here we have this thing, like here we can directly predict in Sol, and predict the outcome in Sol, settle the outcome in Sol, and it's very fast. And you can do it directly from your this interface as well, so you don't need to go inside every market, just like you have in the other prediction platform, right? So first you need to log in, and I have already registered my account, so let me just log in quickly. Just a moment. I think this was the password. Yes. I'll sign the message. Now I am logged in. So I can buy or sell like yes tokens or no tokens. So let's buy just yes tokens, and it will
Nice. And
show me.
natively now that's in Solana itself.
Yes. So here the balance is 7.99 Sol. So I'll just place a trade, and it'll ask me for all these things, confirmation. And once it's done, it's instant. So you can just close it. You can go to your sell. You will see the yes token. You will have 0.60 shares. You can sell those shares again. It's almost instant on network. So you can trade like this, and once you have it, for example, if we have a, let's say, let's buy more like that, and let's also have no tokens as well. So just a minute, let me confirm this thing. I bought this thing. Let's buy a no as well. So now either I can go there as well. You'll see my activity at the bottom, that I have bought no and then I bought yes for how much Solana and at what price. And I can also see it in my portfolio section as well. So this is my portfolio, and it will see show me my active positions right now and my activities as well. So here I was just testing yesterday as well. So here there are a lot of activities. So here I have my active positions and closed positions as well. So right now I don't have any closed position, both are active. So I can search for the market and it will show me. So this is the current state of development. Also we can edit our profile as well. So this is right now the current state uh, where we are right now. But after the today's push, we'll have one more feature here where there will be multiple outcomes, and people can bet on different outcomes using Solana. So this is what we have built so far.
Very cool. And do you plan to focus on more, long tail or niche types of prediction markets? Like we saw this one, pertaining to amount of followers. Is that part of the roadmap?
This is just for our own thing. Like we don't wanted to promote anything, so we wanted to promote ourselves only because we are live. As I told you, we believe we believe in public testing, right? So people can test it directly. So this is not very niche. As I told you, later on we'll be giving this particular platform to the communities. So suppose if there is a Bong community, right? They can enroll with us, and they can build their prediction markets on top of it, so they can do all these kind of stuff. So suppose if Bong community needs to do something, like if they want to raise some question, like if they want to ask something, right?
Mhm.
So they can directly post it, and they can directly have their own subsection of the prediction markets. So
Gotcha.
the whole ideation is like this. So they will be having their community driven predictions as well.
Nice. Very cool. Is that a big part of the plan, especially for GTM, to focus, particularly on B2B?
um right now it's more sort of we
Or
haven't
B2B to C at least in this use case?
right now it's mostly B2C only. So we'll be focusing on right now this thing, and we'll see how far it can go. And after a successful launch, mainnet launch, and after reaching a specific milestone, like we have a few milestone with us, and after reaching those milestones, we'll be rolling out the next phase of the development that will start for the Betrek. So after that, only people from different communities or different communities can create their sub prediction markets, and they can post these niche. They can create these niche markets, and they
Right.
can even trade in their own tokens. For example, if Bong community wants to trade in Bong token,
Oh,
so we can
nice.
use the Bong token only.
Yeah.
So this is what the ideation is for the next phase. But current phase is we need to roll up this thing and for public.
Yeah, I love that use case. And I
Yes.
was curious too, what other, potential use cases are you seeing? Are you also going to focus on sports, politics, like what's traditional in prediction markets? Are you going to focus on those, and what other, types of niche markets are you looking to create?
Yeah, so currently here is only one type of market, and that is crypto. But of course, that will be focusing on all kinds of markets, all kind of categories that we see in the existing platforms like Kalshi or Poly market, as you mentioned. Like sports, we'll be having politics as well. Politics is our main criteria. We'll be focusing a lot on politics
Mhm.
because later on we are in the roadmap. Also, we need to publish or we need to create a predictive search engine where people will be searching the event before it has occurred based upon the amount or the volume the market has. So it will be kind of a newspaper stuff. So people will be able to get the information about some event before it has actually occurred. Like what people's sentiments are, a kind of a sentiment prediction engine. That is what we are calling right now, but that is a far-sighted concept. But yes, we want to build that thing as well, and we want to build order books as well. We want to build perp trading as well. So this will be a kind of full-fledged trading platform in the near future.
Okay, very cool. And talk to us more about that product roadmap. What are you looking to achieve for this year?
Currently, what we are looking to achieve is kind of ambitious, but we believe in building brick by brick, and I have been following a lot of people in the from the ecosystem as well, so I know how to build the product. And in the roadmap, we are, as I mentioned, that we need to create it a full trading terminal where people will be able to do perp trading, where people will be able to do order book trading. So currently, these things are not implemented into this thing. So this year we are planning or focusing more towards to make this thing a full-fledged trading platform, like to include all this order book trading, perp trading, like this.
Okay, very cool. Talk to us a little bit more about the token and its utility.
Um, right now we are not having any kind of token. So and we do had a plans to launch our tokens, but we are not looking for right now at the moment to launch a token. But our main focus will be more toward giving users discounts and giving traders reward in terms of the tokens that we are going to like
Sure.
publish in the near future.
Yeah, and I'm sure, great use case too is, utilizing your own token for prediction markets.
Yeah, but that will be for our community. If we are building our own community, we'll be utilizing that our own token only, and then we'll be giving discounts, or we'll be giving kind of, for example, if people are trading in Solana, we can have the same market in our own platform, like on our own sub markets, and they're using our own token. So people, it will be cheap for them to buy and sell and make money out of it.
Okay, very cool. And I have another question there. Will you cover the same markets that Kashi and Polymarket will?
um they are very specific, and that is one of the things which I don't like about Kalshi and Poly market. They are very specific to us and US related things.
Mhm.
But my plan is to make it more global, like what is happening geopolitically, like what is happening in, for example, in Iran, or maybe in India, or maybe in Taiwan, China, Russia, US, Venezuela. So all these kind of things. So I want to build a community for everyone, so where everyone can participate and build this stuff, not specific to uh, like specific to one country or one event.
Yeah.
So it's like that.
Okay, fresh. So is there anything else you'd like to show us in the platform?
uh right now, the I cannot show you the active the latest development because it's not pushed yet,
Sure.
but this is ready for the people to go and test it, and
Mhm.
people can enroll and test it.
Okay.
So we are just looking for initially we are looking for push, like we wanted more people to join us in this journey, and let's hope I can pull it off quickly.
Absolutely. So where can we find out more information about you and Petrick?
Yeah, so we have our official Twitter channel. So just a
Mhm.
minute, let me share.
And what's the URL?
Sorry,
What's the URL?
it's Betrick Markets only. So just a moment.
Nice.
Um,
Okay. And then also on X.
yeah, so this is on X. So
Mhm.
it's Betrick_market. That's our Twitter handle. And if you want to find the URL that you were talking about, it's betrick.xyz.
Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
but it will redirect you to DevNet where we have our DevNet app running.
Hmm. Okay. That's fine. Excellent. Anything else you'd like to share today?
Yeah, and about myself, you can just type shashankpandey.in. You will have my own, like I have my own portfolio there, so you can find me on there. You can, if somebody wants to, like from there, you can get a lot about me. You can get all my contacts. You can get all the places to reach out to me. So shashankpandey.in,
Mhm.
that's my website, and if you will go through that website, you will find all the available places that I'm available to talk.
Okay, Clutch. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Talk soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Cool. Bye now.